Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect GoDaddy domain to your Vercel site. So this will allow your website to use a professional and custom domain. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your Vercel and navigate to your project. So it should be right here. But if you don't have a project yet, you have to make sure to create one first before doing this. And then you will just have to go to your settings, and then you will click domains and then add, and then you will just have to type your GoDaddy domain and then click add. And after that, you will log into your GoDaddy account, and then you will go to your My Product section. Or so it really depends on the layout of your screen. So after you go to your My Product section, you will just have to click Manage DNS for the domain, and then you will just have to add a CNAME record. Like for the host, it's www, and points to cname.vercel/dns.com. And then next, you will just have to remove any conflicting CNAME or A records if needed. And after that, you will just have to return to your Vercel and then click verify. And finally, just wait a few minutes for the DNS propagation, and then test your domain in a browser to ensure that it's live. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.